Hi, I want to talk to you about the multi-positioning screwdriver. This is such a cool little tool, and you may have gotten it with your machine or you may have purchased it later, but it's really an important thing. There's even a little part right there where you can hang it around your neck if you want to hook it to a lanyard. There you go. But what do you do with that thing? Well, like it said, it's multi-position. There's one position, and this is helpful if you are needing to go right here. Do you see how that works? It fits right under there, and I can move that screw. But what about this one? This one comes in handy when I'm on the side and I want to have that screw loosened or tightened. But then it has multi. That means there's more than two. Look right here. When I put it that direction, I have me a little hoop tightener. I'll bet you didn't even know it would do that, do you? There it is. That little screw is inside there. That is how easy that is. That makes it the multi-functioning tool. I love it.